Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone keeps asking for Apple ID password. If your iPhone keeps asking for your Apple ID password repeatedly, it can be quite frustrating. But luckily, there are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. First of all, you have to do is check for iCloud service status. Before troubleshooting, make sure that the Apple iCloud service are not expressing any downtime. You can check the status of Apple service on the Apple system status page. After this, then you have to do is verify your Apple ID password. Confirm that you are entering the correct Apple ID password. Log in to the Apple ID account page on a computer to ensure that your password is correct. If needed, reset your password. After this, then you have to do is sign out and sign back in. To do this, you have to open your settings, go to your account, Apple ID account, scroll down and then tap on sign out, enter your passcode, tap on turn off and turn off and sign out and then sign in back. This can refresh your device connection to Apple service servers. If this still doesn't work, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve these type of issues. So you have to open your general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to also do is check for iOS update. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. To do this, you have to open your software update to check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is an update for your iPhone, then you have to do simply update your iPhone to its latest version. Like I have an update of iOS, so now I have to do is simply tap on update now, or I can simply update it tonight. After trying this all solution and you're still facing the issue again and again, then you have to do is reset your all settings. You can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. This won't delete your personal data, but it will reset system settings like Wi-Fi passwords and wallpaper. So you have to go to your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.